In this position, the valve spindle can easily be lifted out of the housing. After a preliminary cleaning, all valve parts must be carefully inspected and measured, and all measurements compared with the values stated in the clearance tables. Signs of wear, especially on the sealing surface, must be recorded. The clearance between the gauge and the sealing surface is equivalent to the valve wear and must not exceed 3 mm. If the sealing surface is damaged or reveals more than 3 mm wear, the valve spindle must be either ground or replaced, as the case may be. The same work must be undertaken if the valve plate surface shows more than 9 mm wear, as can be seen here. Please note that damaged or worn down mnemonic valves can be reconditioned. Such work on mnemonic valves may only be carried out by specialized Wärtsilä NSD reconditioning centers. The air cylinder is also carefully inspected and measured. The hydraulic piston must move freely and must not reveal scratches or score marks, otherwise the piston must be dismantled for inspection. Worn parts have to be either reconditioned or replaced. Also, these two cone pieces must be in good condition. On the air piston, the seal rings must be replaced at every valve overhaul. The old seal ring is removed by cutting through it with a sharp chisel. The valve seat wear has to be measured on previous engine types with this template. On newer engines you will find this template, which makes it possible to take the measurements without dismantling the valve and also to detect the lateral wear. The seat wear must not exceed 3 mm and the lateral wear not more than 7 mm. Note the valve seat cannot be reconditioned. You will find all necessary instructions and wear tables in your maintenance manual. Compare carefully all dimensions and if it's necessary, replace the corresponding parts. The valve guide bush is also measured and the measurements are compared with the values stated in the wear tables. Note: worn out valve guide bushes have to be replaced. Consult the maintenance manual for the replacement procedure. A valve seat must be replaced when it reveals heavy damage or more than 3 mm wear. Note once more that exhaust valve seats cannot be reconditioned. Next, we will show you how a valve seat can be replaced using the provided special tools. The two halves of the clamping ring are fitted to the valve cage and firmly tightened. Smear the 3 jacking screws with Mollycock paste G or similar. By tightening the 3 jacking screws evenly and in steps, the valve seat can be easily jacked.